Hey everyone, today we are going to look into a project that we have developed for providing smart solution for railways. We have developed this project as a team of four from Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. This project was developed in two phases, one using Node-RED for web application, another using MAP app inventor for mobile application. And now we are going to look into the Node-RED application. And this is the entire flow of our project. This contains several modules. For example, this is the sign up and login module. And then this is the dashboard module, which contains several other modules like sign up, login, get location, get weather, etc. And then uh, below is the reservation module, which is developed for booking the ticket for the customer. And then on the right side, there is a QR code module which generates a QR code after the ticket is booked so that the customer can get their details of the journey with the code easily. And then this is the location module which provides location of the train. And this is the weather module which provides the weather which provides the weather of the location the customer is giving us input. Now we are going to run our application. So this is the layout which contains the several tabs, and let's run the application and let's see the demo. So this is the main dashboard of our project, and it contains sign up, login, get location, get weather. Now look, let's sign up in this application, and now it's asking for the name. I'm going to give my name and age and date of birth. You can easily select the date of birth using this calendar option. March 10, and now it's asking for mobile number. So I'm going to give my mobile number and then my email ID, and then I'm going to set my password. I'm going to give my password as capital R, small a f, then now it's ready. I'm going to sign up. And now when I click the sign up button, all my details get stored in the IBM cloud. Let's look at that. Let's verify whether it's saved or not. It gets saved into the sign up module. And see, every ID that we log in is saved with the help of a unique ID so that it cannot be. Um, okay, then let's log in with the details that we have used for sign up. And it's asking for my username. When I click the login, it gets the details from the cloud and checks with my details I used for sign up and provides login, and it says login successful. And when I go to the next tab, it's the reservation tab. It asks for the um, destination and from to where, and when I select the from and to locations, and I can book my seats with the help of this option. I'm now giving booking first seat, and I can select the date of my journey using this. And now I'm going to book my ticket. So yeah, here comes ticket book and ticket is generated. When I press OK, and when I click on the get QR button, the QR code gets generated, and the customer can take screenshot of the QR code, and when they scan it, they will get the details of their journey, destination, location, everything, their name and all that. And that's all. After we book the ticket there in the dashboard, and the details of our journey is get stored in the database in the reservation tab. And let's look into that. These are recent reservation, and yeah, it's get booked.
Generated during the Node-RED web page after booking. We scan the QR code and we get the details of the ticket booked, showing the text the ticket has been validated by SSFR and the location from two details and the date along with the seat number. This can be used by the ticket checker to verify during the travel.
In the dashboard, so these options are there in the dashboard. So now we are going to click on the get location button, and if you click on the get location, we will redirect to the another page. And here, yeah, you have to click on the get location button. If you click on that, you will be getting the latitude and longitude of your current location, and copy and paste those latitude and longitude values in the respective places. After copying and pasting those values, you have to click show in map. So this will give the current location of the user. You can also zoom the location in the map. So it will help. It helps to get the current location of the user. Then next we cancel it and we come to weather section. Here we can enter the city and country of our current location, and we have to give submit. If we give submit, we will get those details, and we can also give for checking another location. If we give another location, it changes the other details parameters.
That's all about the Node-RED web application developed for the smart solution for railways.
Now let us look into the next phase of the project, that is the mobile app application, which has been developed using MIT App Inventor. The screen that is shown in front of you is the front end page of the application. It asks for details like username, mail or mobile ID and password. There are options like logging in and sign up. That is, in case you have an existing account, you can use the login button using your existing credentials, and in case you are a first time user, you can sign up using the sign up screen. Then there are options like forgot password in case you forget your existing password. This has been developed using blocks, and this is the blocks that we have used for developing the pages. This is the sign up page where details like name, age, date of birth, etc. are asked. You have to enter the details just like you do it in any web application or mobile application. Then for the mobile number verification, you will get an OTP via your email ID or your mobile number. It is based on which option you choose. And then this is the page for that. This also has been done using the blocks in MIT App Inventor. This screen shows the real application where there are options like booking the ticket, and before you book the ticket, you might want to know the weather and location details of the destination or the leaving place that you want to choose. So for that, you can use these options to get the weather details and the location details. That also has been developed using the blocks, just like the other screens. These are the blocks, and this is the forget password screen. In case you forget your password, and then you'll have to enter the registered mobile number and the name, so that you will get an OTP to that number, using which you can reset your password. And this is the ticket reservation page where you're asked to enter your starting location and your ending location, that is your source and your destination, and the date of your journey, so that it will show you the available trains on that particular day to that particular location. You can select it easily. Everything has been done using blocks, and these are the sample locations that we have added for the source and destination, as you can see. And these are the blocks for the weather. So if you want to check the weather condition where to the of the place where you are going to, you can enter the name of the place and get details from it. Same way it applies for the location too. You get the latitude and longitude details. Everything has been developed using the blocks that we have shown here. We have used the firebase for storing the data that is entered in the registration page. The details will be stored in the format as shown here, like age, date of birth, mail, name, password, etc.
So once you open the mobile application for the ticket booking, this page appears. In this, there are details asked like username and mobile number and mail ID in case you have existing credentials. But if you are a first time user, you have to click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, it will ask for details like name, age and all. We'll enter examples. We'll give a name like Rafiq. Enter some age. You can choose the date of birth from this drop down. Then you have to enter your mobile number and a valid email ID. And you have to set a password for your account. Once you click on this, you will get an verification message to your mobile number as well as to the email ID that you have entered above. You get notifications like this. You have to enter the notification OTP that you have received. When you enter the wrong OTP, it will notify you using the wrong OTP notification. So you have to enter the correct one. And you get a message like mobile verification success when you enter the correct OTP. Similarly, you receive the OTP to your mail as well. And similarly, if you enter a wrong OTP for that, you will get an error message. And yeah, so we have signed up successfully. Once the sign up is done successfully, you will get a message email verification success and all that, and you have to go to the back to login page. And now once that is done, you have to enter the username that you entered there. In case you give a wrong username or a different username that you haven't signed up, you will get a message that says wrong username. And now you are entering a password that is wrong. You will get a wrong password notification. So all this enables the user to manage their account credentials easily. And when you enter the correct password, you get the notifications like correct username and correct password, and the welcome to SSFR screen appears, and the notification says login successful. And then now in case you forget your password for your existing account details, you can click on the forgot password button, and it will redirect you to a page where it will ask you to enter your existing account's username and mobile number. So you have to enter the username correctly so that it identifies your account that you have already created. And then you have to enter the registered mobile number, to which you will get an OTP once you click the send OTP button. OTP sent to mobile notification will be shown, and you will receive the OTP on your mobile number. And then similarly, if you enter a wrong OTP, you will get a wrong OTP message notification. So enter the OTP correctly, and it will redirect you to a page where it will ask you to reset your new password. You can set your new password here, and you can go back to login when the message shows password reset success. Buttons: book ticket, get weather and get location. First let us book the ticket. By clicking on the book ticket button, it will redirect to the page which contains from to select date and show available trains. By clicking on choose starting location, we can select any one of the location available, and choosing the ending location, we can select any one of the location using the drop down. We can select the date of travel by changing these. And after selecting, if we click on show available trains, I have selected Chennai and Bangalore. So Chennai to Bangalore available trains are listed out. We can select any one of these trains, and here the details from to date and train are listed out. After verifying the details, we can click on book the ticket. So it generates a QR code which stores the reservation details in it. To send the confirmation ticket to our mobile and mail, we have to enter the detail. I am entering my mobile number and my mail ID to which I want to receive the confirmation mail. And clicking on send confirmation, confirmation message will be sent to our mobile number. Here we can see Chennai to Bangalore, the date and train name, and the status is as booked. And the confirmation mail is also sent to the mail ID with the attached with the QR code.
Here is the verification messages we have got. The email verification has been sent for the OTP, and after booking ticket, we have got the confirmation mail attached with the QR code, which when scanned gives the details of the book the ticket.
Now getting back to the other dashboard, let us check the getting weather and location pages. To get the weather, I am clicking on get weather button and I am entering the current place. Then I am selecting the parameter. Any parameters like cell temperature in Celsius, Fahrenheit, local time, sunrise time, sky information can be get from this. So I am clicking on temperature in Celsius and I click on get details button. The notifier shows the temperature of the current location I have entered. Now let us see the location page by clicking on get location page. Here the latitude, longitude and address will be shown. So when I click on the track location, the latitude and longitude will be fetched based on our current location. It will take some few seconds. So let's, yeah, now the location has been tracked, the latitude and longitude values, and the address has been shown as Madras Institute of Technology CSE block. And yeah, the current location has been panned, zoomed in based on the latitude and the longitude values fetched by clicking on track location button. We can go back by clicking on back button. That's the complete explanation for the mobile app developed for this as a smart solution for railways. Thank you everyone.